On July 16, 2024, Acting Auditor General Ria Kujinga dropped a bombshell audit report. The Zimbabwe Revenue Authority, or ZIMRA, reportedly received a staggering $101.54 billion in unaccounted deposits in 2023. These unaccounted funds have triggered penalties and interest, causing major headaches for companies like Nampak Zimbabwe and Delta Corporation. But that's not all. ZIMRA's troubles extend beyond these deposits. They're also grappling with issues like private import debts, removal in transit entries, and unaccounted temporary import permits. How did this colossal oversight happen? Auditors are pointing fingers at systemic weaknesses within ZIMRA's financial management and internal controls. The government promises a thorough investigation and swift action against those responsible. But will it be enough to restore public trust? Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the twists and turns of Zimbabwe's tax turmoil. This is a developing story you won't want to miss.